Hi friends, today I am going to teach you about batching. What is batching? Batching is actually the amount of concrete to be calculated for any structural member. For example, footing, column, or it may be beam or any other structural member. Here for example, we are taking the example of footing having this size. This is the plan of footing having length of 10 feet, breadth of 7 feet and height or depth of 3 feet. Here is column, say 18 inch by 6 inch. Now for column, here only will be the steel bars, no any formwork for the column. So here we will ignore this size of column, we will take whole this footing for this calculation. Now here we have the cement ratio of 1:8. For example, it can be 1 to 4, it can be 1.5 by 3 or any other cement concrete ratio. Here only for the example purpose we are taking 1:4:8. Now the amount of concrete, or we can say the total amount of concrete will be 10 feet by 7 feet by 3 feet. Whole all of these dimensions, it will be 210 cubic feet. Feet by feet by feet will be cubic feet. Now this is wet concrete. We have to calculate dry concrete because we have the ingredients in dry form. So for dry purpose we will multiply it 1.54. It will be 233.4 or say 234 CFT. Now here we have cement ratio of 1:4:8. How much it will be? 1 plus 4 plus 8. How many parts? It will be 13 parts. Okay. Now for the calculation of cement, we will have total amount of the concrete 234 CFT divided by 13. This for this cement ratio 1:4:8 multiply by 1, because we know that in 148 this is cement, this is fine aggregate and this is coarse aggregate. Now for cement we have to take this part, means 1. Now it will be 18 CFT cubic feet. Now for cement purpose, in the market we have cement bags, not the cement in CFT. Now for calculating the bag, we know that volume of one bag of cement is 1.25 CFT. So it will be 14.4, say 15 bags. Okay, we have calculated cement for this footing. To fill this footing with the concrete of ratio 1:4:8, we have to require the cement of 15 bags. Now to calculate the fine aggregate with the same procedure, 234 divided by how many parts? Total 13 parts, multiply with 4, because fine aggregate has 4 parts in this ratio. Now how much it will be? It will be 72 CFT. Okay, we have calculated the amount of fine aggregate. Now for coarse aggregate, 234 divided by 13 multiply by how many parts? 8 parts of coarse aggregate. It will answer will be 144 CFT. Okay, now all things we have: the cement in dry form, the fine aggregate in dry form and coarse aggregate in dry form. Okay, now for example taking the water cement ratio. For example, water cement ratio is 50%, for example. Now how much it will be? It will be cement is 18 CFT, so 18 multiplied by 0.5 means 9 CFT are calculated in the grams or any other unit to get the proper amount of water. So we have done with the topic of batching. Thank you.